Hi, I'm Mel and I'm manager of PVC department. When a 4-day week was first talked about, all the team jumped at the chance because us who's worked here 30 years plus worked a 4-day week then, so we knew what sort of benefits it would bring, and it's changed massively, just morale in general. Knowing that you've got like a 3-day weekend has just changed everything. So a lot of us have a household to run as well, so knowing that you've just got your 4 days gives you more time at the weekend, which takes pressure off your home life as well as work life.
I'm Paul Allen, I'm a welder at Rubb Buildings. At first I wasn't sure, but now I'm all for it. I think 4 days is okay, it works all right. I think everybody's of the same opinion. I think they enjoy their extra time at the weekend.
Yeah, I'm Keith for this. I've worked here for 3 years and I'm a fabricator welder. At first we weren't sure because I think the older you get, you don't like change, but it's working in people's favour now. It's giving you more time with your family at the weekend. It's a shorter working week it is when you think about it. You've got a day off. I think people have took to it.